Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41 years of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. No insurance claim if death due to alcohol consumption. The Supreme Court has recently declined to grant insurance claim to the legal heir of a man who died of asphyxia due to alcohol consumption. A bench of Justice M. Shantangular and Vineet Saran stated that the proviso of the insurance company makes it clear that the injured is not entitled to compensation since it was proved that he was intoxicated and that death was due to intoxication. SC said that the insurer was only liable to compensate a person who got injured solely and directly from an accident. IRDA instructs insurance companies to mandatorily state reason for rejecting claim. IRDA has recently asked the insurance companies to state proper reasons for denial in case of rejection of health insurance claims made by policyholders. It also asked the insurers to be more transparent in the process of health claim settlement and let policyholders get clear and transparent communication at various stages of claim settlement. The circular on health insurance claim settlement addressed to life, general, and standalone health insurance companies, including the third-party administrators, said all the insurers shall ensure putting in place systems to enable policyholders track the status of cashless requests, claim filed with the insurer, TPA through the website, portal or app or any other authorized electronic means on an ongoing basis. The status shall cover from the time of receipt of request to the time of disposal of the claim along with the decision thereon. Bharti AXA Life Insurance launches Bharti AXA Life Guaranteed Income Pro campaign. Bharti AXA Life Insurance has recently announced the launch of its new integrated campaign on Bharti AXA Life Guaranteed Income Pro. It urges the consumers to choose certainty when it comes to taking decisions regarding life's big goals like retirement plan, children's college education, and securing families' future with a guaranteed solution. Unveiling this campaign, Bharti AXA remains to engage with the age group of 30 to 55 years in urban India, especially in 20 cities, which captures 8% of Indian population and accounts for 33% of household savings of India. The program lands a sharp narrative for over 4 crore taxpayers and encourages them to choose the path of certainty while planning for the big goals in life. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned.
Birds trust their wings. Babies trust their mothers. Indians trust Star Health. Star Health Insurance, the health insurance specialist, always at your doorstep.
Welcome back after the break. A live interaction on the changing landscape of insurance sector with the evolution was organized by IndusNet Technologies on 18th March 2021. With the Insurance Times being the media partner, Dr. Ragesh Agarwal, editor, The Insurance Times, interacted with Mr. Amit Roy, Executive Director, PwC, to know about his perspective on evolution of technology in insurance sector. Here are some excerpts of this interaction.
So coming to general insurance, retail products in general insurance have been perceived as more transactional than subscriptional. So, however, the customer expectations seem to be looking for an Amazon-like experience. So, how do Indian insurers match their proposition with the customer expectation? Because now the customer is demanding more and more every day. So, you need to match their needs. So, how do you think it should be done?
My heart goes for my friends from the PNC sector, and I think they had too many fires coming their way, starting from de-tariffing in 2006. This industry actually seen the kind of blood that they saw. I as an industry practitioner during that time, though I used to be on the life side, I used to actually sympathize with them. It was a very, very tough time for the industry to survive, and hats off, still they managed, and still they could service the customer with the best of the abilities. Most of the PNC companies in our country, Dr. Rakesh, they have used technology to the T, and they are pretty dynamic in the nature. As we talk, each of them are trying to enhance the customer experience by giving best of the technology support on their front end, on their back end. The middle layer is the struggle. When I talk about the middle layer, it also touches the distribution, because in PNC, on the general insurance side, you have large OEMs. Now you can change your company, you can invest there. How do you change the side of the OEM? How do you change the entire distribution fraternity? That's the challenge. And there the co-creation comes into play. And possibly the transactional relationship is coming from there. And unfortunately, unlike life, our relationship on the PNC side is pretty disloyal, right? And you only look at the next
for a 1 year horizon.
1 year horizon, right? And that disloyalty actually helps hits the insurer very badly. If they have to give experience to the customer, they would like to ensure that the customer stays for a long time with them. Then only you can think of that. Hats off to the regulator. They have started introducing long-term product in there. That was long time needed, and that was the ask from the industry. One very good development that I see is that you mentioned about sandbox, right? And the kind of innovations on PNC side happening because of that is pretty amazing, right? These 1 rupee ride on the cab, and now it is 2 rupee, and you don't mind that. And those touchless experiences, if you miss a flight, your account gets credited with certain aspect of money. On motor, today you have a pay as you go kind of a policy. Those are great innovations.
You have wearable devices in health insurance.
Yeah. So I tell you, I believe we should not be complaining about the optimal level. I believe we should encourage such kind of innovation in an industry which has seen too many fires. On the PNC side, too many challenges. Fraud in health insurance has been a big challenge. In motor insurance has been a big challenge. And recent cases on the personal accident has been a big challenge.
This was all from the online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.